Popeyes.
Popeyes is officially sold out.
We're sold out of chicken sandwich. We sold out in 4 hours.
What's going on, y'all? Everyday Kosher here, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I heard that Popeyes sold out of the very popular chicken sandwich, so you can call me the plug, because I got you. I'm gonna tell you exactly how you can get it, even though they say they're not bringing it back for a little while longer. Let's get into the video.
Love that chicken from Popeyes.
Like I said, y'all, I'm lacing y'all with the details on how to get the Popeyes chicken sandwich. Yeah, everybody has been talking about the chicken sandwich, and I can't believe that Popeyes actually sold out, but it's all good because I got you covered, okay? I'm giving you the recipe, the how-to on making the Popeyes sandwich at home, okay? So this is gonna be a perfect recipe if you like chicken sandwiches or if you were dying to try the Popeyes one and you just didn't get the chance. So why don't we go ahead and get into it? First up, I'm just patting the chicken dry after I've washed it, that's right. Then I added some garlic powder, onion powder, salt, celery seed, cayenne pepper, paprika, Cajun seasoning, and Louisiana seasoning. And then next, I'm just gonna massage that seasoning into the chicken to make sure it's got good flavor. Be sure to add additional seasoning, it's imperative. So I did that with the Louisiana seasoning there. And then thereafter, I just flipped the chicken over and then added the buttermilk. All portions of what you need, all rations, will be listed below, okay? I'm gonna slide that over and then I'm gonna begin working on the dredge. So first up, you just wanna add some flour, and then thereafter, you wanna add some of that Louisiana seasoning. Again, pretty much all the seasonings that you added to your chicken. So we've got some black pepper, salt, cayenne pepper, paprika, celery seed, garlic powder. And of course, you wanna make sure to add your cornstarch. That's gonna help your dredge to kind of thicken up and make sure that your breading actually coats onto the chickens. After that, you just wanna whisk that all around. Make sure you got a good whisk so that all of those seasonings will get into that chicken. And now we're working on the egg mixture. So as you see, I plopped 3 eggs in there, a little bit of hot sauce, some cayenne pepper, and buttermilk. Whisk that all around and you're good to go. Let all of that sit for about 30 minutes or so. And while you're doing that, you can be making your spicy mayonnaise. So using a bit of Duke's mayo is what I used. I added some cayenne pepper with a little bit of hot sauce. And honestly, that's it. I just swirled that fork around to mix it up and then put it in the fridge to sit. Okay, y'all, so we're going to dredge the chicken. So first, I put the chicken, I take it out of the buttermilk mixture, put it in some flour and coat it. Then I put it in the egg mixture, put it back into the flour before it goes into the fryer. So,
but you may not want to coat that so fast until this one is done. But it crumbles sometimes when it sits, but okay. Okay, the new Betty Crocker.
When your mom is the camera person, and so she be thinking you don't know how to make your Popeyes chicken sandwich. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna let that cook for about 12 minutes. We really just need to keep a good eye on it, and then we'll drop the other. So let's go to the next step. What do you think? It's good? Yeah. Good, cause your girl be knowing. Let's try it, y'all. Your girl got it. Your girl got it, y'all. It's good. And that spicy mayo is it. It's real good. What do you think, Barb?
It's good.
Not your favorite?
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. Hey.
Now put the camera down.
You heard it. Don't be rushing me off the camera. So that is it. I've cleaned up the kitchen. We finished our food. It was amazing. Right, y'all? Yes, it was amazing. So don't y'all ever say that I have never given you anything, because I just put y'all on, okay? Now listen, all of the ingredients and the information that I used to make this, of course, as I mentioned earlier, will be down below in the description box. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you are excited to try the Popeyes chicken sandwich. I know it is really good and y'all are gonna enjoy it. So make sure that you have subscribed if you haven't already. I don't know how you got this far into the video and haven't done that already, okay? But I'm gonna sign off and see y'all in the next one. I love y'all. Bye.